guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is World Individual Lashes Day. Okay, actually I don't know how true is that, I'm just joking. So today I'm going to be doing this type of individual lashes right here you guys are seeing, and actually I have never tried it out, and basically today is my first time to try it out with this my bonding. Okay, I like to use bonding to do my things when it comes to lashes, and I have this my eyelashes coiler that I'll use to lift it up, okay, to avoid it choking under my eyes. And here we have the tweezer. I'll use it to, to be applying it instead of using my nails, because I have nails, so actually using my nails can be possible. So what I'm going to do is this is actually 12 millimeter, okay, 0.6, which is not that thick enough. Okay, so I'm going to put the, if you guys look over here you will see how the lashes look like, but I'm going to put the glue in the glass of the lashes so that it will be easy for me to be taking the glue from there, instead of if I want to apply one I'll first apply it. So that is a long process. So this right here is the easiest process I can ever go. So exactly like this is how I do my things. I like it easier way. So you need your mirror to do this, you need your mirror. So your camera is not enough to watch, you need your mirror so that you don't go and put glue on your eyes. Actually you need to use the tweezer to bring it out, but not with force. I tried doing it with force, it teared into two. So but you need to do it very light so that it will not tear into two. So this is how the lashes is. I'm going to dip it inside the glue and you guys will actually see how it is. So once I dip it inside the glue, then I'm going straight to apply it. Actually you guys know that using your left hand to do your right side is quite difficult and it's not that easy. So it's something that whenever, for example, whenever I want to do my right nails, it's always difficult. And here I'm doing my right eye and it's difficult for me here. There was a time that the gum entered my eyes and you guys are going to see it. So I have to go off camera to apply the rest of the of the eyelashes, because the glue went inside my eyes. So I have to clean it and that makes my eyes red. So I have to apply it, and this is what exactly and this is exactly what I'm talking about. You guys will see that this eyes is red, but the left eyes was so easy for me to handle. Okay, I went ahead to lift it up so that it will not go inside my eyes. To when it goes into your eyes it will be causing more tears down. So over here I'm moving over to the second eye, and actually it looks beautiful though. So I'm moving over to the second eye, which was so easy for me to do. It didn't give me any stress, so it didn't give me any headache, just very easy. You guys are going to see how I actually did it immediately. I did all of them with zero stress, with zero red. Okay, my eyes wasn't red in the process. So that is to show you how easy the left side is when you want to do your lashes. Sorry for the noise before, that was my time telling me what the time is. Okay, so over here you guys can see it's very full and it's getting full though. It's very easy to apply. So I actually apply all the left eyes in the camera because there was no stress, there was no difficulties. Okay, so the way you guys are seeing it, that is exactly how the eyes is, and within up to 2-3 minutes I've already finished applying it. So it didn't take me that time to do. So I have to make it, I even doubled it to make it full, because you guys know it's 0.6 006, sorry, and it's 12 mm. Is quite long. The size is okay, but the thickness is not that much. It's very light, so I have to double it to make it full. And I actually used 2 lines of the lashes. Okay, so that is what I used in this video. So the third line I didn't touch it because the 2 line was enough, and even half of the line was okay, but not until I want it to be full. I don't want it to be like as if I'm not wearing something. Okay, so I want it, that beautiful. So that's basically all of that. So here I'm trying to apply it with my hand. So I'm trying to apply the rest of the lashes with my hand right here. Sometimes I go with my hand, sometimes I go with the tweezer, so it depends on the one which comes easier. And I think that this one here is absolutely it, guys. And I hope you guys, this really help you to learn how to fix your individual lashes, because fixing it by yourself, it can make you can be even careful enough to do it by yourself. And as well, just have the courage, just get the equipment, the things you have here, you see me using here, then and do it. One thing about the glue is that once it's drying off. So here, guys, you guys see here the eyes is ready, and there was no stress at all. I'm just telling you guys the truth. This is exactly how it is. Just like something that you microbladed, but I did not microblade it. I did this by myself. So that is basically it, and I hope this help you. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe in the subscribe button. And of course, I will surely see you all in my next video. Remain blessed and have a fantastic day. I'm doing shakara right there. Bye guys. Bye bye.